Hi everyone, greetings of the moment. This is Mr. Karthikeyan, mentoring NEET subject. Welcome to my video session. In this video session, I would like to explain about TS of dicot stem, Helianthus annulus, sunflower. Let's see. So here dicot and monocot nothing but based on their anatomical structure, internal arrangement of tissue, easily we can differentiate dicot and monocot stem, especially vascular bundles arrangement, the stellar arrangement. Let's see how it is in dicot and monocot. So this is the stem of the sunflower. Yeah, this is the arrangement of cells. So in last video I have told you clearly there are two diagrammatic schematic representation of the sample. One is sector diagram and second one is here it is represented ground plan. So this is a ground plan, sector nothing but a clearly expanded one, V shape. So this is a circular spherical shape sample is ground plan. So let's see. So here is the arrangement of different tissues in the transverse section. Let's see. This is known as sector diagram. So this entire structure is known as a sector. That entire spherical arrangement is known as a ground plan. So here in sector diagram, this is a dicot stem. Example, sunflower. The first and foremost part, same like in roots. The outermost layer, external structure, cells are closely, compactly, rectangular cells. They are arranged in a single layer is known as epidermis. Epi means upon, dermis means layer. So this epidermis, single layer structure, on the epidermis, especially in a dicot stem, thin waxy layer or coating is present, that is known as cuticle. So this cuticle helps to prevent the loss of water, nothing but transpiration, and directly indirectly it helps to protect the innermost tissue. So on the epidermis here and there, in dicot root, monocot root we have been discussed, root hair is present, epidermal hair or epidermal structure, outgrowth. But here it is known as trichome. Here it is not called root hair. This is trichome, multicellular structure. So the trichome main function is same as usual, cuticle. It also helps or participate in the prevention of loss of water, nothing but excess of water. It will be prevented, loss. Then remaining structure, let's see. Yeah. Cuticle, thin cuticle, that is epidermis, closely cells are packed, no intercellular